There are many products available to choose bar cart, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bar cart from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ballard Designs Shaw Bar Cart. This two-toned mango wood and steel rolling bar cart is equal parts functional and stylish. Designed with 2 drawers, 2 open shelves, and 2 8-inch folding wings that raise and lock into place, this cart offers plenty of storage options plus an extra surface area for serving. The 2 open shelves provide enough space to store bottles, glassware, mixers, and more. And we like the idea of stocking the drawers with cloth napkins. The double bar handles make it easy to move the cart around for service, though it can be very heavy when loaded down with supplies. The antique flared brass frame adds a retro touch to an otherwise modern and simple bar cart, with its ample storage options and thoughtful, user-friendly design. We think this bar cart is worth the splurge as the centerpiece for your next cocktail party. Dimensions: 33.75x, 33.25x, 17.5 inches material, mango wood, steel storage, yes, includes 2 storage drawers. Number 2. West Elm MidCentury Bar Cart. This dapper piece of furniture from West Elm takes you back to the era of Mad Men, when midday drinks were so in fashion that bar carts like this one were common in offices. It's a reasonably sized cart with a classic 2-tier design, the top shelf for serving and the bottom for storing. We recommend filling the bottom half with spirits, liqueurs, and mixers, and placing a whiskey decanter, a few old-fashioned glasses, and an ice bucket on top. West Elm's simple and classic design has antique brass rails that give just enough pop to the walnut finish for a sleek and classy look. We absolutely love the timeless design. Dimensions: 32.2x, 19.9x, 32 inches materials, eucalyptus wood, antique brass storage, 2 shelves, no extra storage. Number 3. Joss and Main Paulette Metal Bar Cart. If you're looking for a minimalist, industrial-style bar cart with lots of functionality, the Paulette Metal Bar Cart fits the bill. It's compact and efficient, offering 2 tiers of storage space for all of your basic bar accessories. Stock the enclosed railed shelf on the bottom with libations and their accompaniments, and get to pouring on top. Weighing only 66 pounds, and thanks to its 4 wheels and raised handle, this bar cart is lightweight enough to be moved from room to room. It just may not be able to hold the same amount of stuff as similarly sized competitors, thanks to its open shelving and lack of extra drawers, compartments, or racks. On the other hand, you could also use it in the kitchen or living room to hold cookware and bakeware, or in the living room for blankets, charging cables, and video game controllers. Number 4. Nathan James Carter Bar Cart. If both space and budget are limited, this petite bar cart on wheels is a nice pick. There's room for a handful of wine stems, openers, coasters, and accessories on the upper glass shelf, plus ample space for storing up to 10 bottles on the lower one. We like that this unit is designed with 4 wheels and a raised handle, which makes it easy to move from room to room during happy hours or dinners at home. We think this industrial chic bar cart would be well placed in a small, modern dining room or kitchen. One drawback: the upper shelf is made of fragile glass. Be careful swinging around bottles and cocktail shakers. Dimensions: 17x, 24x, 35 inches materials. Metal, glass storage, yes, includes wine bottle and wine glass storage. Number 5. LVB Wine Rack Table. This is a substantial yet quite practical stationary bar cart that's chock full of functionality for wine lovers and collectors. It has ample room, with glass hangers, a middle shelf for glassware and dishes, a tall bottom shelf for liquor bottles, and a wide, flat top for prep. Plus, there are a dozen slots between the middle and bottom shelf to hold bottles of wine laid on their side, the proper orientation for long-term storage. For its size and capacity, it's a great deal. Dimensions: 15.75x 40.16x 34.4. 5 inches materials, wood, metal storage, yes, includes wine bottle and wine glass storage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.